What you doing, Tink? What's Tink doing? That's our puppy Tink. Is he funny? Tink, does he like you? Does he like you, Tink? Baby, hi, Summer. Is he making you laugh? Is he? You could try tickling her tummy, Tink. What ya? Lick her ear. Is that our doggy? That's the good kind of doggy, huh? They don't smell bad. They listen. What do you think of that doggy? That's a good doggy. What do you think? Want to say hi, everybody? There she goes. She's out of here. You're too funny, Summer. There she goes. She's all, I can use my environment. Don't, yeah, huh. Say hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Bye, see you later.